Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the fuzz running again, make sure everything is good with fluids and leaks and everything, and then we'll take her out for a drive. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've started her up a few times. We have no fluids underneath, so we're going to drop it down so we're nice and level, so hopefully everything drains properly. Then we'll do some left and right turns to make sure the power steering is all good and bled. Once it's up to temp, we'll get her out for a drive. Let's do it. Oh, she's low. Oh no. Yeah. That's not good. Alright, we're looking good so far. Come back a little bit later, get her started up, warmed up, everything checked over, and we should be good. Alright guys, so I didn't manage to get out last night. It's now Friday night, so I'm going to chuck the computer into the car. I'm going to start it up, let it warm up, and we'll head out for a little drive and see how everything goes. Hopefully we don't have any more oil leaks. I'll take the light with me because it is about 9 o'clock now. So I can just have a look underneath the car, see if it is dripping. It looks like we've got a bit of a coolant leak, but it's like on this side. I can't find anything. It's pretty small, so we'll probably try to find it when we get the engine out in a few weeks to do the cams. But yeah, let's warm her up and take her for a drive. Right, so she's still a little bit smoky because I haven't burnt anything off yet, because we really haven't had her running for long. So we'll get her warmed up. It's going to smoke quite a bit at the back. That's why I'm doing it at night time, so you can't really see it. But we've got fuel, because last time we were out we went and chucked 20 litres in, I believe, of 98 octane. And yeah, let's start her up and see how she's tracking with everything. Now, the internal wastegate is fully closed, so we should come on boost a lot quicker, because with this whole setup I have actually never had the internal gate closed, so might need to take a change with me. We'll see how we go. Alright, this is not good. A little bit smoky, okay, but this, not cool. It's not like there's no wind, it's just sticking around. Yeah, pretty sure that's oil. I think the GT35 might have crapped itself. That is oil. Just coming right out. Great. Well, looks like we might be pulling the engine out earlier than expected. Maybe another turbo? Alright. I'll just pull the GT35 off to see if it's been coming up from the TD05 or it's the GT35. Oh, this sucks. I've got to get out of here, it's too smoky. It's like the one night that it's not windy at all. Smoke's out of the place. Look at that, just blowing oil out the back. It's never done that before. Well, she starts up pretty good, always. But yeah, we're gonna have to come back to this. It's too hot at the moment to work with, and unfortunately we won't get it done tonight. But yeah, I'll just take the GT35 off maybe late tonight or tomorrow, and we'll inspect. Obviously, if there's oil coming from down here, it's the TD05. Now the backside of the TD05 is pretty moist, so maybe it's that, and it's shooting it up and just going through, because it happened pretty suddenly. So after all that struggle getting it on, like 3 days worth, we have to take it off again. So mint. Yeah, we'll inspect that first. It's good, we'll chuck it back in. Hopefully we can clean it up and get it out. And then yeah, in a couple of weeks we'll pull the engine, do the cams, or we'll pull the engine, do the cams and wait for another turbo. So we'll see how we go. Hopefully it's not too bad. Alright guys, unfortunately we didn't obviously get out for a drive. But yeah, hopefully we haven't blown up one of the turbos. Maybe I do have a rebuild kit for the TD05, so hopefully if it is that one, I can just fix that. If it's the GT35, it's probably cheaper to get another one to stuff around. But we'll probably end up going to like a 4-bolt on the back instead of a V-band. I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll see what happens. So guys, make sure you tune in next time when we pull it down and see what's going on. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.